Here you are, asleep in your swing. And you've got the hiccups and you're asleep. This was just too cute, so I had to get it on tape.